For example, in this question, in this problem, sorry, this one, again, we have, for example, water, and if you throw a stone, so it produces actually circles in water. And you know that these are moving toward the edge of water, yeah, like river. So first circle, then it's moving. So after 1 second, it will cover some distance. Then after 2 seconds, again it will cover some more distance. Correct? So it will reach to the edges of a river or pond. Now we have two formulas. For area, we have formula pi r square. This means that area is a function of r. It depends upon r. If radius is increasing, area is increasing. If radius is decreasing, area is also decreasing. But in this question, there is given that the radius of water wave increase at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Radius is increasing 2 centimeter per second. We need to write equation for radius. But before starting writing for radius, let me tell you something that, for example, another example. Let's suppose price of one burger. If you want to buy a burger, so price of one burger is 10 Fs. Correct? So write in equation, general equation for price of n burgers. So we can write price of n burger is equal to 10 multiply with n or 10 multiply with x, where x is the number of burger. If you want one burger, so 10 multiply with 1, price is 10. If you want to buy two burgers, x is equal to 2, so 10 multiply with 2, price is equal to what? 20. If you want to buy 5 burgers, so 10 multiply with 5 equal to what? 50. So this is general equation for price and number of burgers. Yeah, price of burger. Same condition is given for radius in this question, and condition is that radius increase 2 centimeter per second. So we need to write an equation for the radius, and equation of radius is equal to what? Radius depend upon time, so 2t, where t actually this is the number of second. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, radius equation. If you want to find the radius, so just replace t values. For example, after 1 second, when t is 1, so r is equal to what? 2 multiply with t. It means 2 multiply with 1, so 2 centimeter. This is after 1 second. After 2 second, r is equal to what? 2 multiply with 2. Second is 2. So 2 twos are 4 centimeter. After 3 second, radius is 6, and after 4 second, radius equal to 8. So we have this general function for radius. Now we have this one, composition, A composition with R. This means that replace r with total this function, r function. So a is equal to, we can write here, we have pi r square, but replace r with another function, so we have a is equal to pi and r is equal to 2t, but we have r square, so write down r square. This will give you 4 pi into t square. Now in first case, before composition, area depend upon r, but now after composition, area depend upon what? Area depend upon time. So this is called composition of a function. Great, great, great. So this means composition, when you are mixing two different things. First, area with R and R with T. This means that area has inverse relation with time because area depend upon R, then R depend upon T. But now after composition, you have direct relation area, you direct the relation of area with time. Now in final, we have area is equal to 40. So just replace T value after 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. This will give you the area value. Oh, so last option you can see C. Find the area A of water wave after 60 seconds. Now we have function, so we can find the area. So if we replace this one, so write down area equation. Area is equal to 4 pi into t square. Now t is equal to 60 second. So what is the area after 60 second? 4 pi, and we have 60 second. So 60 square is equal to 4 pi, and 60 second, sorry, square equal to 3600. So 3600 multiply with 4 and then multiply with pi. This will give you area after 60 second. Yes, calculate please. Okay, uh, we have 60 square multiply with 4 multiply with pi equal to 4000 something, 45,000, 45,000 to 38.9 area. This will be meter square because area unit is meter square. Yes, also multiply with pi. Pi is equal to 3.14. So this will give you 45,000. Excellent, excellent. Great, Hadia, Maha, and Mujib. Yes, multiply with pi. This was composition. Next example of composition of function. Uh, Same, for example, if we have great, excellent. The radius r of circular oil spill increase at the end of at the rate of 0.5 meter per second. Express the radius r is a function of time. The area same, for example, oil spill, and when oil spill, for example, on the ground, so it expand like in circular way. So for example, circular way, and the radius increase at the rate of what? 0.5 meter per second. So we have equation for radius of oil, 0.5 multiply with, this is rate, so meter per second, so this is actually time. It depend upon time, 0.5 per second. Now what is the area? We have area formula because this is in circular shape. So area of a circle equal to pi into r square. Now compose these two. If you compose these, so you need to replace r, this r with this total second function 0.5t. So we have 0.5 into t whole square. Area is equal to what? We have pi, 0.5 is 0.25, 0. I think 0.25. This is 0.25. I think point 0.2, sorry, zero point 0.5 square is, yes, 0.25. So 0.25 and t square is t square. Now we can write 0.25 into t square multiply with pi. So this is equation. So in first case again, A depend upon R and R depend upon T. So when you compose these, when you put something together, composition, so now actually A depend upon time. So we can say that A is a function of time. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. Thank you, thank you. Now, we have four type of composition. Four type of composition. These are four type of composition. G composition with F composition with G, F with F, and G with G. So let's try one example from these. For example, f of x is given, f of x is equal to x plus 1, g of x is equal to minus 2x plus 10. I want composition, first composition, f composition with g of x. This means that replace x of f with g function, g of x. So first we need to write f function, we have x plus 1. But now replace f with total g function. Like in place of x we can write minus 2x plus 10 is the value of x plus 1 we have. So this means minus 2x plus 1 and plus 1. This means minus 2x plus 2. This is composition f of g of x. Yeah, f composition of x is equal to minus 2x plus 2. Okay, great. Same, if I want composition of g with f, so g composition f. So first of all, you need to write g value. G value is 2x plus 1. This is g function. But now replace this value with f of x function. It means replace x with x plus 1. So we have minus 2. X value is x plus 1 and plus 1 we have. This means multiply minus 2x minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 with x minus 2, minus 2 with 1 minus 2. Now we have,
Excuse me.
yes,
Yeah, there is a 2x plus 10, I think so.
yes, yes, this is
That's
2x
not
plus,
one.
okay, it's okay, this one is 10 actually, not 1, this is 10. So if we have 10 here, so this one is 10, this become 11, 2x plus 11, excellent, well done, well done, well done, 2x plus 11. Okay, this is just method of how you can find the composition. Now let's suppose I want f composition with f composition with f. So first of all, write down x function, f function, x function is x plus 1. Now replace x with same whole function x plus 1. So we have x plus 1 and then at the end write down 1. This means that x plus 2. X 1 plus 1 equal to 2. I want g with g, g composition with g. So first of all write down g function minus 2x plus 10 and then replace x with total g function. Replace x with minus 10x 1 minus 2x plus 10 minus 2, replace x with minus 2x plus 10 and we have plus 10 here. Minus 2 equal to plus 4, then minus 2 with 20, 10 equal to minus 20 and we have 10. So 4x minus 10, the g with g composition, yeah, g with g of x composition. So we have 4 composition, excellent. F with G, G with F, F with F, and G with G. These are 4 composition. These are 4 composition. G with F, F with G. Okay. Now, okay, last question. You try. Who will tell me what is the composition of these two? First one. 4 minus x divided by x and f is 4x. Find out f with g or G with F. What will be the result? Try. I'm waiting. And this is end of our class. Okay, let me stop